everyone, it's Aisling and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing products that don't get enough hype. These are products that I absolutely adore. I often do these videos every couple of months. I come across a bunch of more products that I just don't hear anything about on the internet. I don't hear anybody talking about it on YouTube. I don't see them on TikTok. I don't see them anywhere. So I want to talk to you guys about them today. I have a hair. There we go. That's a bit better. I want to talk to them. Yeah, I'm going to talk to all these makeup products here. I want to talk to you guys about these products and let you know why I love them and just why they don't get enough hype. It's just bizarre to me. So let's kick this off with a type of foundation. I don't really want to call it a foundation. It is marketed as a protective makeup. And this is the Maybelline Dream Cover Full Coverage Lightweight Protective Makeup with an SPF 50. This is life-changing. If you love a BB cream, a lightweight foundation, you like something that just gives you the appearance of a nicer looking skin without being too full coverage, too overbearing, and something that you like maybe in the summertime that's a bit more, like I said, lightweight, fresh looking. This is your man. This is what you need in your life. I have the shade 126, which is a little bit pale for me, just ever so slightly. I still can kind of get away with it, but I need to actually get the next shade up. But it is a fantastic foundation. I don't even know how I know it's marketed as a protective makeup, but I'm gonna call it a BB cream. I feel like it is one of the most amazing affordable BB creams on the market. I feel like it is quite comparable to the It Cosmetics CC cream, which in my opinion I would purchase this one like 10 times over because it's like less than half the price. And I just feel like I get a longer wear out of it, if that makes sense, during the day. I just think it looks sensational on my skin. I love everything about it. I love how lightweight it is, fresh. It just covers my blemishes and it gives me that no makeup look. I know I did a recent video on my everyday makeup look, which is not my no makeup look, which I think a few people were kind of confused in the comment section of that. They're like, that's a lot of makeup for everyday makeup, but I didn't say everyday makeup has to be minimal. For a no makeup look, I would definitely go down the route of this. I can do a no makeup look if you guys want to see it, which basically includes this, filling in my eyebrows, a little bit of concealer and a lip balm. Like, it's literally nothing. But this is a fantastic BB cream. If you're looking for something lightweight, go for this. You will not regret it. It's great. And I just don't get why not enough people talk about it. I don't think I've ever seen anybody talk about this in a video, unless I'm hiding under a rock, but I haven't seen it before in the YouTubers that I watch. Next up is the Brush Ink Tattoo Waterproof Liner. This is from Catrice. I am low-key obsessed with this. Actually, high-key. I am just so obsessed with this liner. It's one of my favorite liners on the market ever. I have nothing more to say about it. It is so good. It's the darkest, blackest formula, which just is exactly what I'm looking for. It's not like a light charcoal grey. It doesn't fade throughout the day. It's very pigmented. The brush tip on it is so fine and it has like 270 fine bristles. It is sensational. You can make it thick or thin, whichever way you want to go with it. It's just a great product. I left the lid off this and it dried out my last one and I was like, oh my god, can't let that happen again, because I was literally lost without this for, I think it was like a week or something. I don't use my Essence one as much anymore since discovering this. I see absolutely nobody talk about this. It is such an incredible product and it's super affordable. And I do love a good liquid liner. I can't deny it. They're still old school, still loving them. I do like a bit of a more powdered liner at the moment. Like, I would use eyeshadow to do a liner, but I always need this, especially if I'm wearing lashes, to kind of just connect the lashes to my natural lash line to make it look a bit more seamless on my eye. And just, I feel like this product is so underrated. Why does nobody talk about this? You used to hear a lot about the KVD Vegan Beauty tattoo liner, but nothing about this, and it's so good and it's ridiculously affordable. I think it's about €4 or €5 maybe max, so go get you some. You won't regret it. I have to throw this in. I know that I have been harping on about it for a year. I don't know if I ever featured this in a products video that people don't talk about or an underrated product, but it is the Catrice Sensational. Guys, get this now, because I have the strongest suspicion that Catrice is going to discontinue this. I don't know why, but they do that with every single thing I love, because I've been to a few Catrice counters and have not seen this. The only place that I can get it is online, or if I'm so fortunate that Catrice send me out a bottle of it, which is very rare. I think they've sent me maybe 2 bottles of it you know, the first time that I ever used it was they sent it to me in PR, and the second time was a couple of weeks ago. So I bought 2 bottles of it online as backups for myself, but now I, like I said, have been to the counters and I don't see it as much, so I'm gonna stock up on this. It's one of my favorite primers ever. I always wear it. It's like my everyday primer. Sometimes I wear this on its own because it gives that real radiant appearance to my skin. It just makes my skin look super fresh, super radiant and glowy without looking oily or greasy. It gives you that kind of, like, I don't know how you would describe it, just like glowy skin. It's gorgeous. And I wear this underneath foundation and just on its own, like I said. And I've harped on about this in so many videos. I think you guys are probably sick seeing it, but I just feel like not enough people talk about it. I don't understand. Like, why do people not talk about that product? It is incredible, like so good. The next product has been around for a long time. So maybe people used to talk about this, or maybe people just don't like use it or whatever, I don't know, but it's very underrated in my opinion. I never really heard anybody other than Sarah Ashcroft ever talk about this product, and it is the MAC Studio Fix Concealer and Correct Palette. I adore this. Oh my god, like, where has this been all my life? I purchased it it'll be about a month ago now at this stage, and I've been wearing it to death. I use these 2 shades here, which are NC30 and NC35, to carve out around my brows, and then I use this peach tone down here just to go underneath my brows. I use this tone over here, which is NW35, to cream contour. This one is going to be more of like a winter shade when I get like maybe I won't get as pale enough to use it, but I could probably use it underneath my eyes if I wanted to conceal or whatever. And then the yellow one, which I've been recently enlightened to, is for covering up under eye dark circles. So I am obsessed with this. I use it to cover blemishes and it just does a wonderful job. I use this to conceal under my eyes. Again, does a wonderful job carving around my brows, cream contouring. It's kind of an all-in-one cream product for me. If I need to do anything on my face that relates to cream, this is my go-to. Conceal, for carving out brows, for contouring. I love it. Even a little bit of foundation. It is such a good product. Very underrated. Don't hear an awful lot about it. I love it. Can't deny that it's not like my favorite product of the moment. The next product I want to talk about is a lipstick, and these only came out in April, so I can kind of, or like March, April, so I can kind of say maybe people just haven't discovered them yet, but for me it's kind of like, why are not enough people talking about this? It is the Bare Minerals lipstick. So they came out with a whole lipstick line. They are actually called the Mineralized Hydra Smooth Lipsticks. The shade I have here is Insight. Every single time I wear this, somebody will ask me what is on my lips. It's been literally the only thing I've been wearing for the last month. I swear, I don't think I've worn any other lipstick other than maybe Myth on a very rare occasion, but it's been this. I just love it, and I will be buying another one of these once I wear out this one. I haven't fallen as fast and hard for a lipstick in years. Like, I mean, since back in Creme Cup days, back to when I discovered Honey Love at first. These are from MAC, but I don't think I've fallen this hard for a lipstick before. It is so gorgeous. It's so rich and creamy and pigmented and long lasting. That's everything I want in a lipstick, and it's really hydrating. I don't feel like my lips are like real dry, or I don't feel like it wears off my lips too quickly because it is that hydrating, moisturizing lip kind of formula. I think it just looks incredible, gorgeous on my lips. Can't say enough good things about it. Don't know why people don't talk about this range, because it's such a good range of lipsticks. They're incredible. And I think Hailey Bieber is kind of like the face behind Bare Minerals at the moment. So I don't know, like, it's fallen under the radar for some reason. But Bare Minerals has actually become one of my new favorite makeup brands. They just have incredible products. The last product I want to talk about is from let's start that again. Last product I want to talk about is from KVD Vegan Beauty. I absolutely love their blushes. They are super underrated. I have so many of them in my collection. I think I have nearly every single shade, but my 2 favorites are Honeysuckle and Foxglove. This is Honeysuckle, this is Foxglove. They are incredible. They're so pigmented, long lasting, just gorgeous colors. They come in the brightest tones and then like something a little bit more wearable like these. I swear if I just had these two blushes in my collection, obviously I'm a collector so I have an awful lot of makeup, but if I just had these two blushes I would be happy out. I feel like I don't need anything else other than these. They are the best blushes ever. Very underrated. I don't think I ever hear anybody talking about KVD Vegan Beauty as a whole. Could have been because it was associated with Kat Von D and I kind of understand all the stuff that went on with her, but as far as I'm aware, she has no affiliates to this brand anymore at all. Like, I'm sure she made a book from selling it, but it is owned by the people who own Fenty. They are such good blushes. They really are. They're just incredibly long lasting, and like I feel the formula is so great and they are just amazing blushes. Like I said, if I have them I don't need anything else in my collection. Very underrated. Don't know why people don't talk about them because they're just such great blushes. That is all the underrated products I want to talk to you guys about today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you found something maybe that you hadn't heard about before, or maybe you would have if you've watched my channel, because I'm a million % certain I have mentioned at least one of those products in the last month. So I think you would have seen them on my channel quite a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any requests of other videos you would like to see coming up, always shoot them my way. I would love to film any type of videos that you want to see. And until next time, keep safe. I love you guys so much and I will talk to you all very soon. Mwah!